I want to cover another semantic element that we haven't talked about yet. This one you can see here. Actually, we're going to talk about two different ones here. We have a section here that, notice it looks like code. And it's actually a little piece of JavaScript. You don't need to understand what it does right now, but it is a piece of code. When it appears on our page, we want it to look like code. We don't necessarily want it left aligned over here. It's going to be inside something else. Let's look at the HTML that's formatting this section. I'm going to pull this out to a separate page so we can look at it next to each other. All right. So we have our heading up here. We have a heading 2 for the next important thing there. And then now we have a figure container, a figure tag. That is designating everything inside here as being part of a figure. And what is a figure? A figure is an element of some kind with a caption associated with it. So in this case, they're using another tag called code. So they have code here, and then they have some words written, just typed out. It's in HTML. It's not actually JavaScript, or it'd have a script tag on it. But we want this to display and look like code so the user knows, hey, this is a piece of sample code. So it's enclosed in the code tag. So that is a block element. So figure is a block element. Code is a block element that's within the figure, so you can see a space above and below it. Okay? And then a figure always requires a Figcaption. This is the caption for the figure. JavaScript code for getting the year. This is the caption for whatever we have up here. Now, they're using the code element, but very often we use an image here. So you'll have an image with a caption below it, all enclosed within a figure tag. Okay, so figure always requires a figure caption, and then we have some element inside it that we're captioning. An image, in this case we're typing a little bit of code and captioning that. So use figure when you need to do a caption on just about anything. As long as it's inside the figure and the Figcaption comes at the end, it should look just fine.